Good day there, Nationers. It is I, Caleb Nation. Of course, who else would it be here? And I just noticed, like a few minutes ago, that I've posted a video on 3 of my 4 channels today. And I thought, why break the pattern? Why? I should post a video on this channel too, and might as well put a video up on each channel while I'm at it. And have a 4-video day. You're gonna be sick of me by the end of this day. That is the subject of which we are talking about here. Not that you being sick of me, because you could never get sick of me. Never. Don't tire of me. The point of this video is the fact that I have 4 channels, and I don't need 4 channels. I didn't plan on having 4 channels, okay? But a long time ago, a year ago, 2 years ago almost, I asked YouTube for youtube.com/Caleb, youtube.com/KALEB. I explained this story in the other video on my secret, but soon not to be secret channel. And they wouldn't give it to me. And I was like, can't have it. And they were like, you can't have it. I said, can't have it. They said, you can't have it. And they never gave it to me. But then, a few weeks ago, I finally, I did videos for a year, and I did my daily vlogs for a while on this channel and all that other stuff. And then, just like a couple weeks ago, YouTube gave me youtube.com/Caleb. And now I have the channel that I wanted at the beginning. And now I'm thinking, you know what I would really want to do? Start doing my iPhone vlogs over on that channel instead. And what'll happen is I will kind of forfeit the 9,000, almost 10,000 subscribers that I have on this channel, which is a lot, which is amazing. All of you are amazing, all of you subscribing to this channel. But I think that it'd be better in the long run if I do my videos on the channel that I want it to be on. And then this channel could become like my secret channel, or it could become the channel where I put all the interviews, or the channel where I do behind the scenes or something. I don't know what I'll do on this channel. I'm just thinking about that. You know how indecisive I've been, with changing the 6DSR show back and forth, literally that many times pretty much. But I think I'm going to do that. So you guys, if you enjoy my one-take vlogs, my iPhone vlogs, the vlogs that I'm going to be doing while I'm traveling, hint, hint, hint. See? Traveling. My bags are packed over here. I'm traveling. I'm going to Montreal tomorrow. I have to be gone. I have to be up at 2 a.m. And look at what time it is. Oh boy. How much sleep am I going to get? Let's see. 8 o'clock, 9 to 11, 12, 4, 5, 6 hours of sleep if I go to bed now. You think I'm going to bed right now? Not in this state. I haven't even had caffeine yet. Gosh, see, look, I still haven't packed up all my camera stuff yet. I'm going to get like 2 hours of sleep tomorrow, which will be interesting vlog. So you should go subscribe. It's youtube.com/KALEB. And in disregard all of the craziness that's going on with me right now, rearranging my channels and stuff, I'm trying to get it right. I will get it right. I'm going to organize it right. And it'll all be good. Just bear with me for now. And just all you have to do is subscribing is free. Why am I apologizing? No apologies. Go subscribe to all 85 of my channels, worms. Why am I calling people worms these days? I've done that like 3 times today. I've called someone a worm. I don't know. Just me being me. Say hi, Chilla. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Look at all the people. Can you see yourself? Uh-oh. I think Chilla got scared because she saw herself on the screen. Anyway, I will see you guys. I will probably post another vlog tomorrow, maybe, or the day after, but it will be on the youtube.com/KALEB channel, so you should go subscribe to that. And this video is 3 minutes and 40 seconds, 43, 44, 45. I gotta go. I will talk to you guys later. I'm not on phone conversation. What am I saying? I will see you guys later, and I'll have another vlog up very soon, so go subscribe to the new channel, youtube.com/Caleb. Bye!